Hi everyone, you're watching Bizzi Art, and in this video I'll make a wallet. I'll start off by folding my paper in half lengthways. I'll rotate the paper around and fold this one as well. Unfold and then use the bottom and the top edges to fold towards the centre. Then I'll flip over to the other side and I'll rotate the paper around so I can use the short edges. I'll fold these in towards the middle. Then I fold this in half, but I need to make sure the open end is where I'm doing the crease. So I'll fold it like this to finish, and then you can pop some coins in and off you go. You got two little pockets to fill up. Enjoy! Hey again, thanks for watching this video. I have so much fun making all this content for you. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you're on the lookout for origami paper, click the link down below. See you around soon.